We were at City Place. Check that out. That's the mechanism for the clock tower that's up there. Pretty neat. Thank you. We have a Kone elevator. Oh, it's glass. Yay. It's a Montgomery? No, it's just a very early Kone. Kone? Alright, here we go. That's not a terribly impressive view. Back down. Back up. Kone, Viking phone. We're going to send it down, and we're going to watch it from the outside. All right, run, 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 so you can catch it before it goes. Ah! And there goes the elevator. Can we see the motor? Yeah, look, a little bit. There's the motor. You can't really see it because of the sunlight, but it's in there. I can't even see it because of the sunlight, but it is there. Is it on the other side? Screw it. We'll take a quick look and just see if we can see the motor, and then we're gonna have to, after this, I need to get my butt over to Moline, Illinois to film some of the office stuff there before it closes. Can you see it? Yeah. Look, just a little bit. You can see the EcoDisc. Just barely. It's a Kone EcoDisc. Anyway, that's it.